When it comes to maintaining a clean and healthy home, having the right tools can make all the difference. This Kenmore DS4020 Cordless Stick Vacuum is a game changer in the world of home cleaning, offering powerful performance, lightweight convenience, and versatile functionality. If you're tired of cumbersome, heavy vacuums that make cleaning a chore, the Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum is here to revolutionize your routine. Read on to discover why this vacuum is an essential addition to your home cleaning arsenal. One of the most compelling features of the Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum is its incredibly lightweight design. Weighing in at less than 5 pounds, this vacuum is easy to carry up and down stairs, making it perfect for homes with multiple levels. The featherlight construction also makes above-floor cleaning a breeze. Whether you're reaching up to clean cobwebs from the ceiling or tackling dust on shelves, the Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum's ergonomic design ensures you can do so with minimal effort and maximum ease. Despite its lightweight build, the Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum does not compromise on power. It boasts a robust 21.6 volts motor that delivers 8,000 PA of powerful suction. This vacuum is designed to handle a variety of surfaces with ease, from hardwood floors and tiles to carpets and linoleum. With 2 speed modes Eco and High, you can choose the perfect setting for your cleaning needs. Eco mode is ideal for everyday cleaning, conserving battery life while still delivering strong suction. High mode provides an extra boost of power for tackling tougher messes and deeply embedded dirt. One of the standout features of the Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum is its impressive battery life. The rechargeable 21.6 volts battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous runtime, allowing you to clean your entire home without interruption. The vacuum conveniently stores on a wall mount, ensuring it's always charged and ready to go when you need it. The battery status meter, with its colorful LED lights, keeps you informed of the battery and charge level, motor speed, and more, so you're never caught off guard. Navigating around furniture and into tight corners can be a challenge with traditional vacuums. The Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum solves this problem with its swivel steering and LED headlight. The swivel steering allows for effortless maneuverability, letting you clean around obstacles with ease. The LED headlight illuminates dark areas, ensuring that dust and debris have nowhere to hide. This feature is particularly useful for cleaning under furniture and in other low-light areas where dirt often accumulates unnoticed. In addition to its powerful cleaning capabilities, the Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum is also designed to improve air quality in your home. It features a high-efficiency HEPA filter that captures 99–97% of dirt, dust, and allergens down to 0.3 microns. This makes it an excellent choice for households with allergy sufferers or pets. The bagless design includes an easy-to-empty dirt cup with a 0.6L capacity, making maintenance quick and mess-free. The Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum is not just a stick vacuum. It also converts into a handheld vacuum for added versatility. This 2-in-1 functionality makes it perfect for cleaning tight spaces, upholstery, stairs, and even your car. The handheld mode is lightweight and powerful, allowing you to tackle messes wherever they occur. This versatility ensures that you have the right tool for every cleaning task, all in one convenient package. Key features at a glance. Lightweight design. Less than 5 pounds for effortless maneuverability. Powerful suction. 21.6 V motor with 8,000 PA suction power for all surfaces. Extended run time. Up to 40 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Swivel steering and LED headlight for easy navigation and precision cleaning. High-efficiency HEPA filtration captures 99–97% of dirt and allergens. 2-in-1 functionality converts to a handheld vacuum for versatile cleaning. Why choose the Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum? 1. Effortless cleaning, lightweight and easy to maneuver, making cleaning less of a chore. 2. Powerful performance, robust motor and versatile suction settings for effective cleaning on all surfaces. 3. Convenience, long battery life, easy storage, and quick maintenance. 4. Improved air quality. HEPA filtration system ensures cleaner air in your home. 5. Versatility. 2-in-1 design allows for comprehensive cleaning from floors to tight spaces. Conclusion: the Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum offers a perfect blend of power, convenience, and versatility, making it an excellent investment for any household. Its lightweight design and powerful suction make it easy to use and highly effective on a variety of surfaces. With features like extended runtime, swivel steering, LED headlight, and HEPA filtration, this vacuum is designed to make your cleaning routine more efficient and enjoyable. Experience the power and convenience of the Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum today. Make cleaning easier, faster, and more effective with this innovative vacuum cleaner. Invest in a cleaner, healthier home now. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.